Oh, what the heck? Whew. I gotta fix that. We can't be having no holes in the yard. Hey, happy Easter. And you know, I don't know if you celebrate Easter. I don't know if you know what Easter's about. Hey, I know you getting ready to say, well, it's the Easter bunny and the eggs. Well, I don't know about all that. You do them Easter eggs and that bunny if you want to, but hey, don't run over those eggs with your lawnmower and you'll get little pieces of plastic all down in your grass. Now for this house, every day is Easter around here. But hey, we're coming up on a weekend where we're going to celebrate the King of this universe gave his life for you so that you'd have a chance for eternal life. And hey, he defeated death, hell, and the grave. The king of this world, king of this cosmos. And he did it for you. Spot I've had, I've kind of got it symmetrical, matches on both sides of the driveway. And this is a patio crepe myrtle. And I kind of wish I'd have went with a notch so we would get really big and full and create a little shade right here, but I didn't. I didn't do my homework on the patio, and it doesn't get quite as big as a typical crepe myrtle, which ain't a bad thing. Less leaves to clean up, right? Well, I tried several different plants around this border right here, and just nothing really made sense. And I'm a very difficult guy to please when it comes to my plants and symmetry in the yard and all that kind of thing, the way it flows and everything. I've actually got a cool video coming up a little later. Well, I'm gonna take you through the process of everything I did in this yard. I've just had so many people ask, would I do that? So I'm gonna do it. Show you where I planted those cryptomerias, the whole 9 yards, because I've got pictures of before for everything that happened out here in this yard. So that's gonna be a pretty cool video. But back on track, Pete. I had this clump of liripe here, monkey grass, what some folks call it. I'm just going to take it and create me a nice little border that goes all the way around. I like my landscape simple, clean, defined, and not real busy. That's kind of my style. If you like something a little more intense than that, by all means have it. But I'm gonna dig this liripe up and transplant it, kind of reshape this right here and bring it around here. All right, so what I've got to do is match up my symmetry here. And of course, some things look kind of rough right now. They ain't flushed out yet. And they're still pretty new. You can see I took last year and dug up one big clump and split it 4 ways. And that's what these are. So they're coming up. They'll catch up. That liripe ain't gonna get but so big. So in the next couple of years, this smaller stuff will catch that. Look at that fescue. I bet you a grass seed. I bet you a fescue seed got over in that plant somehow. I'll have to try to dig that out. But this liripe is 28 inches off my edges. And I remember that from last time when I planted. And I'm about 2 foot in between each liripe. So I'm gonna take right here and I'm gonna measure off my edge and go 28 that way, and then every 24 inches is where I'll plant one. There you go. A little more symmetrical there, looking a little better. Now I've got a little bit of a naked hole right there. And I'm gonna actually take that lariat and wrap it on the round to the driveway. I'll probably throw one more in over there, but I gotta go dig some more up. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this. You need to get your plants right. And hey, remember this Sunday's a pretty big day. Get your heart right.